Good evening, traders. And today in this video, I'm going to launch another indicator that is called the Hidden Orders Detector Volume. Okay, so basically, this indicator is very helpful if you want to know where the smart money is actually entering into the market. And there is nothing that works better than this indicator because this indicator is based on a volume and other features. Okay, so now I will review this indicator and you will be simply surprised at how the market is actually functioning as per this indicator. Okay, now as you can see here, what will be our role to use this indicator, how we will analyze this indicator? That's very simple. We will only trade the ultra high volumes that are given by that indicator. So this is bit different than the normal indicator that you normally use. So for example, if I go and I just write the volume 1. Okay, so the normal volume. Okay, so now you can see that it has a lot of different signals. If I just zoom in your chart, and then you can see it works a bit differently than the normal volume indicator that you can see on the screen. I can show you other charts. So basically the normal volume indicator basically confused you in many ways, and this is the much better, and it has a clear meanings. Like you can see here, that's a clear picture that from where the market can go up and down. Okay, so don't worry, we will talk about this indicator on the basis of level to level. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach my bank indicator. Okay, so now I'm going to switch my 1 minute time frame so that I can show you one by one each and everything. Okay, now just look at this. When the market starts to go up, okay, so we have the ultra high volume here, and then what you see from our indicator, the bank buying was in place, a bank buying order was in place, and then you can see starting that the price simply moved up. Okay, now always zoom out your chart exactly like this so that you can see the high volume. Look at this high volume when the price was up, and on that time there must be a bank selling level here, and then you can see a drop later on. Okay, let's see any current picture that is going on so that I can show you. Okay, just look at this. Gold, we have the ultra high volume. It doesn't matter the volume is into the pink color or the blue color, it doesn't matter. Okay, the price was down, the high volume came, so its high volume doesn't mean a buy or a sell signal. It basically tells you that smart money is entering into the market. Now what you have to see the behavior. So what we normally do, if we see that the price is up, so for example, let's say if you just look at this price, so what you see, the price is up. So let's say we have the ultra high volume that is not available right now because the ultra high volume is here. So let's see, just imagine that here we have the ultra high volume like this, then it means that the price is always high. So now the selling pressure could add into the market, and we will be looking for the sells as per the bank indicator, or if you are using the other indicators, that could be a good option. Just look at this one. Ultra high volume, the price was already up, the price made a high volume came here, and after some time, okay, the bank selling appeared, and then you can see the price starts to reject, and just look at the price right now. Okay, so the first method that you need to understand, that your chart should be into, like for example, just look at there. Before, the price was already up. If I make a trend line like this, then you can clearly understand the price was into the upward pattern. The ultra high volume came somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. What happened? There was a bank selling level on that time, and you can see a drop. Okay, so it's not a buy and sell signal. You need to understand that what's actually going on. Okay, now I'm going to take my time frame to, let's say, 15 minute. Okay, so let's analyze. Okay, now just look at this one. Ultra high volume, then you see the price is down. Okay, let me show you more. Okay, zoom out your chart, because if you will keep your chart like this, you cannot under this is not a ultra high volume. You need to zoom out your chart. Now it tells you this is the ultra high volume that results into the drop. Okay, let me take you to the 5 minutes so that we can have some quick view about the market. Okay, now look at this. The price was dropped after the ultra high volume, and then there was a semi ultra high volume, but we will not consider that one. It's your choice. I'm working on this one, but right now we will only be taking our trades on the ultra high because we will not consider anything else. Look at this. Price was down, ultra high volume came here, and then you see a reversal and the price targeted the bank selling at the top. Okay, so similarly, even if you are using my other indicator that is called market turning points. Okay, so if you use my market turning points indicator, then still it's very helpful. Okay, so you can see here, after the ultra high value volume there was a selling opportunity, price is down. Okay, now let me show you more. Okay, now just look at this one. After the ultra high volume, there was a buy opportunity. You can see the price is up. Okay, so it works on everything, like you trade forex, crypto, stocks, whatever. This is going to be worked. Okay, look at this ultra high volume. The market turning points indicator started to make a buying opportunity, and just look at the price. Okay, so you need to evaluate after the ultra high volume that what's actually happening in the market. Look at this ultra high volume. So what the market turning points indicator suggested you, it suggested you that this is the buy opportunity, and then you can see price is simply up. Okay, so if you want to book this indicator, this is very very powerful because it detects the orders by the smart money. Okay, look at this one. The ultra high volume came here and then sell opportunity, just look at this price, it went down. Okay, so we will only be dealing into the ultra high volumes. Now you can see the price was down, ultra high volume came, so what happened, the price simply made a boost and there was buying opportunity. So this is how we use this indicator. If you want to book the lifetime version of the hidden orders volume detector, then you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. You can also book our bank indicator and the market turning points indicator and get the benefit from our indicators because they are very helpful for your trading purpose. Thank you very much.